Hey, it's Lila. I'm gonna be singing "I Miss You" by Beyonce. So, thought that things like this get better time, but I still need you by your side. You're the only image in my mind, but I still need you around. I miss you like every day. Wanna be with you, but you're away. I said I miss you insane. If I'm not with you, it feels the same. Words don't ever say you come around, but I still need you. Why is that? Hurts my pride to tell you how I feel, but I still need you. Forgot the rest of the song. Sorry.